po. Thank you po.
Reina? Reina and Catherine. Catherine? As in Catherine? Hi, Catherine and Reina! I'm with your best friend. See you guys soon.
Jenny right here. Your left.
Jenny over here.
Jenny all the way left. Don't switch to the left, Jenny. Jenny back here. Jenny we go. And Jenny right here. Yung dadaan lang. Love you. Dadaan lang.
Kasi ito lang sabihin. Pastor, sorry. Before kita na-meet, I was just enjoying my life, my career, and my friends. In a way, I kind of let go of the idea or concept na I'll be in a relationship or more so being married.
Abangan natin yung mga idol nila. Abangan natin, abangan natin. Abangan natin.
Sanya all. Sanya all.
Hi guys! Thank you! Thank you!
Abangan ko po yung Giggle Dance Challenge.
Talaga ba?
Abangan niyo.
Aaralin ko! Aaralin ko! Ay!
Thank you.
Good! Good! Bye! Thank you! Aralin natin yun. Aaralin natin. Diba? Ano ba yan? Coach! Coach! Malapit na coach! Malapit na coach! Ang sexy mo naman po!
Magpa-picture pa? Picture tayo, picture tayo. May... Wait lang po. Picture sa kami ni Ate Maloy. Pa-shout out po. Pag-gabi ka. Ano po pangalan ng cat mo po?
Juyon!
Juyon. Juyon.
Hi guys! Asa taping ako ngayon at baka naman gusto nyo ako tulungan kasi nag-crave talaga ako ng cauliflower buffalo wings as in super. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan pwede pumili nun here sa Philippines or if may restaurant na nagsaserve nun. Tomas Morato area, ganyan. Please, please! Lagay nyo lang dyan kung saan pwede pumili. I don't have time to cook it kasi or bake it eh. Ang dami sinabi! Bye! Daldal! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alam niyo yun, yung sa TikTok. Thank you so much. Thank you sa mga nag-recommend ng restaurant na to na dito ako pwede bumili ng cauliflower buffalo wings. Dahil dyan, makakakain ako.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy na siya. Super happy na siya.
Thank you so much. Madami kami dito. Baka naman. Charot lang.
Masaya din. Blooming. Blooming ka na sa
Beautiful girl.
Yes, Nay. Bracelet. Ito ang idol ko dyan. Ikaw ang dami ni Ibya. Nakita mo ba si Ibya? Ano kayang anak mo?
Mabuhay, Blooms! I am Beanie
Beanie Joanna at 8 days to go na lang before the first official National Happy Beanie Day! Woo! Kaya sa Team Nonchalance dyan at Team OA, as in Team 1 Ayala tayo sa June 11. Starting 10 a.m., you can experience the Beanie Yahe sa Beanieland sa Happy Beanie Day. Kaya naman, sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo sa mga inihahanda namin para sa Blooms. But remember, you have to register first para makapasok sa Beanieland. Abangan po ninyo sa mga susunod na araw ang registration details. See you! Mabuhay Blooms! I'm Beanie Sheena. 7 days to go before the Happy Beanie Day! Woo! At dahil lagi kayong G sa amin makipagsayawan, magkakaroon ng free dance workshops on June 11. Pantropico Hour, Salamin Hour, and Lagi Hour at mismong Beanie Dance Coaches ang magtuturo sa inyo. Kaya naman, sama na kayo sa Fun Beanie Yahe sa Beanieland on Happy Beanie Day, June 11 sa 1 Ayala. See you, Blooms! Mabuhay, Blooms! I'm Beanie Maloy. Oh, shucks! 6 days to go! Happy Beanie Day na! At syempre, sa lahat ng pupunta, you're all welcome to come in your best Beanie-inspired outfit. Yes, dress up like Beanie if bet nyo dahil ang mapipiling best in outfit ay may special prize from us. Yes, at kung Beanie fashion ang hilig nyo, marami kaming inihanda para sa inyo. Happy Beanie Day!
What's up, Blooms? It's Beanie Mika and 5 days to go at Happy Beanie Day na! Ready na ba kayo? Dahil the registration para makasama kayo sa Beaniyahe sa Beanieland is now open! Just a few reminders na sa bawat time slots, may limited slots lang po na makakapasok. So, ibig sabihin, per batch po ang makaka-experience ng Beanieland where you can enjoy the fun activities inside. But everyone is welcome. Pero ang makaka-register lang ang makakapasok sa loob. So, please see the full details on how to register. Beaniyahe na sa Happy Beanie Day, June 11 sa 1 Ayala.
Mabuhay, Blooms! I'm Beanie Gwen. 4 days to go before the Happy Beanie Day at excited na kami. Finally, may official National Happy Beanie Day na! At dahil first ever ito, syempre, isa sa mga hinanda namin para sa inyo ay photo booths. Dahil alam namin na mahilig tayong lahat ng picture-picture. And we also prepared a very Instagrammable areas para anywhere strike a Beanie pose. Excited na kami sa Beanie Yahe, sa Beanieland, sa Happy Beanie Day. See you, Blooms! Mabuhay, Blooms! I'm Beanie Stacy. 3 days to go! Happy Beanie Day na! Na! We prepared a lot of fun activities, kaya naman sa mga creative Blooms dyan, ito na ang time nyo to shine! Dahil you can create and design your own tala-arawan and pocket mirrors na syempre pwede nyong iuwi as souvenir. Beaniyahe sa Beanieland on June 11 sa 1 Ayala. Happy Beanie Day! Mabuhay, Blooms! I'm Beanie Colette, and yes, 2 days to go at Happy Beanie Day na! Excited na kami at sana excited na rin kayo. At dahil love na love namin kayo, we are very grateful sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa amin. Bukas na bukas, June 10, we will officially launch the Beanie website! Woo! Yes, may Beanie website na po kami. And para mas updated kayo sa aming life and ganap. At pwede na rin kayong magpa-member. Just click the link na makikita niyo bukas sa website. Dahil pag official member na kayo, you will get exclusive videos, photos, first dibs sa concert tickets, and of course, you can also purchase our official merch na mabibili nyo sa June 11 sa Happy Beanie Day. See you sa 1 Ayala! Mabuhay, Blooms! I'm Beanie Aya. This is it! Bukas na ang first official National Happy Beanie Day! Excited na kaming ma-experience ninyo ang Beaniyahe sa Beanieland sa 1 Ayala bukas. Maraming fun activities para sa inyo na for sure ma-e-enjoy ng Blooms. At dahil we just launched our official website, pwede na kayong magpa-member para you can avail our first wave of official merch bukas. Tulad nitong suot ko. Happy Beanie Day! Bukas na yan sa 1 Ayala and the event will start at 10 a.m.
So, basically doon yung entrance, nandito ang stage. Ayaw ko maniwala, cut music yun siya. Ang naligan is sa Shopee stage.
so much for being our brand ambassador.
And so tall.
It's our launch!
Kind of breakfast. Breakfast, launch, launch kami as their newest ambassador for 66. Maraming i-offer ang Shopee ngayon. Abangan niyo later kasi exciting siya.
Newest brand ambassadors!
That shopping will be better and faster, easier experience in terms of shopping online. So I'm so excited and happy for shopping.
Happy ang shopping with Shopee's millions of fashion deals! Free shipping and 0 minimum spend pa! At kapag hindi mo bet ang item, pwede mo i-return kay rider. Ang dali-dali sa Shopee, right girls? Kaya check out na ngayong 666!
Shop now on Shein.
Didn't I take you to